Well, good afternoon. It's rainy and cold out, so didn't go kayaking. So back in the shop here. Finally got back to the door build for the final cabinet up in the upstairs bathroom. I've been singing the song by Sting, "Every Breath You Take," but I've been singing every door I make. every every door I make. So I got 2 coats on and satin finish. I'll sand that and then probably put one more coat on, and then drill the backs and for the hinges and put them on. So yeah, every door I make, and every cross I make. Yeah. What else can I sing? In between coats, I was building crosses. I got 2 crosses built in between coats, but yeah, there's my second box of Bibles here. So getting caught up on crosses. I was completely out, but yeah, there's the rasp. I rasp the corners and glue them together with the premium Loctite 3 times. So anyhow, that's that. So y'all have a good one. God bless.